How's it going, guys? Happy February, new start to the month. Hope you guys were all profitable, had a great day. Another one of those long ones. You had to just kind of survive the chop. I know myself did not do a good job with that, and I'm actually pretty frustrated with my trading. But I know we kind of had a 50-50 split in our trading group today. Yes, perhaps I should have taken the terrible news this morning that Brady was done, that it was a sign that something bad was going to happen. But I just wanted to be pretty quick and straightforward with this video because I'm pretty frustrated with myself. Came into the market today, went on my run, had a really good mindset, was in my head saying I'm only going to make the best trades, be traded like a professional, stick to my plan, and just make only those trades, and really had a great mindset coming into the day. And then I saw how quickly that once I deviated from that plan just a little bit, the whole day got away from me, and it got away from me a lot worse than you really realize. So again, I want to go through just kind of my opening play because I stuck to that plan and hit it well. My closing play, I hit that well, and then there's just those hours of chop that it's like, what was I even thinking? So I want to show that real quick. We'll go through this opening play here. Like I had said yesterday, I tend to watch the 3-minute chart almost every morning. I have a good sense for it. I want to, I can take the time to explain what my play is on that, but it's more of just watching the price action right off the open. I told myself I would play it on the 3-minute chart and go, whether it takes 1 or 2 candles for the reversal, I would catch that reversal on the open. I will say I was a little nervous going into it. I definitely am not used to playing that opening volatility. But it was awesome to take the trade, have the plan, and execute on it, and then see how, the confidence and my comfort playing that morning volatility grew. So what happened here on the open was you immediately got a dump off pretty hard, and that dump fell through VWAP. Again, I was waiting for a follow through because normally, like I said, it'll take 1, sometimes 2 candles. And when I saw a huge wick and a fail to follow through was the indication of the reversal. When this candle opened and was able to break above the base of the bottoming candles, I got in on the VWAP cross. So now what I was looking for here, I saw a solid break above that opening wick and was waiting for some sort of continuation. On the next candle, it fell and I got out, right away. We went ahead and trimmed one at the top and then had the other stop loss us, just above, I think it was about 10% was where I put the stop right here. So it goes to show, look, I said 1, sometimes 2 candles on that 3-minute chart. The way the price action was reading and the way I read SPY, I did enter 1 earlier than the more profitable plays had I played the downside. But the point was, since I had a plan going into this, even though I had caught the 1 candle too early, I played the candle perfectly because I knew how I was playing it and I had a plan. So then I let it ride down. It kind of left me just watch what was happening because I felt, okay, I hit my opening play. Let's take a few minutes, let's let it settle, and then let's set ourselves up for the what I said I was going to do was the second play. The only good thing I did today is I didn't even look at Tesla. I didn't touch Tesla. I said I'm not going to gamble with it. I'm not going to overtrade it. I had been so bad about it all week, but it almost immediately translated right back into SPY. So again, that was the 3-minute opening. Let me switch to the 5 because that's generally what I'm looking at today. I do have a side chart with all sorts of time frames all on the SPY today. That was all I focused on. So again, on the 5-minute, you see this long wick and that's where I played within, but you really see a strong downtrend. And I was trying to catch this reversal. You see on the breakthrough, it had a lot of trouble getting through the 90 EMA. So I ended up missing the reversal play that I really should have gotten down here on the 200 bounce. That's okay that I missed the second play, but what it did was cause me to chase the second play all day. And since I was trying to chase the entry that I should have made down here on the reversal on this large doji candle, so entry should have been down here, played up to the 90 EMA, and then trimmed, like the plan, like the plan should have, if I was following my plan, it would have happened. I then tried to chase it all day. And you can see almost immediately after this opening play and reversal, the 2 plays that I wanted to make, that the market went into chop. You can see the 90 EMA just kind of sits through the middle. You don't really have any candles that break away from it all morning if you really want to see it. And this was just ridiculous when I saw it on the chart and then I looked at my trades. What the was I doing? This is wild. This is the 15-minute chart. and you can see it is just flat all day. Sorry if I could set it up. It's just all day flat. And if you hide all my drawings here, sorry guys, make it clear for you. Look at this. It's just flat through this wedge. And what did I say my 3 plays were? I said I'd play the opening play. Again, it was more beneficial to the downside, but even though I played it to the upside, since I had a plan, I played that plan perfectly and was profitable. Next time, learn that. Watch for that 3rd candle. Okay? Play 1, perfect play. Let that one finish out. Play 2, play the reversal. Second largest move of the day. What the fuck was I doing all day in this? What was I doing all day in this? Look at the EMA. Straight line through every candle. There's no play here for me. What was I doing? So I chased the second play that I missed and just bled my account out. One thing I did think I hit for my mental was I saw that the 28 that I had broke above fell below once I had tried to chase this. And then I spent all day chasing it and chasing it and chasing it. And it's like, what the fuck was I doing? Because play 1, play 2, guess what play 3 was? Market makers at the end of the day. And I did catch this play. We'll go look at it real quick. And this one is one of those, it's just too dumb to miss. Real quick again on that 15-minute chart. So you can see it was in this range, but we were saying all day, you saw the consolidation trying to hold on the upside all day. So we knew the break was going to be up. This is why I make my 3rd play of the day, the market maker move at the end. You can normally tell what they're going to do. So sure enough, played out perfectly, waited for the fake out and entered right here on the 9 EMA break. I did only get up to here. We trimmed at the top, and then because we hit that 10% goal and then got wicked out, and that's fine. I didn't catch the whole movement, but again, it was because I was trying so hard just to get back what I had lost that I wasn't able to hold through this whole entire movement. I had been trying to chase all day that this one didn't feel like, okay, here's plan play number 3. This felt like, hey, here's chop attempt number 500 that I've been playing all day. And just to be completely transparent with that and show you guys my trade log, and this is when I saw it right away, was what the fuck was I doing? Is you can see immediately on this guy how quickly I was just not... What was I doing in the middle of the day? I was not following any sort of plan. I was just trying to chase every sort of SPY breakout, knowing that I had missed my 2nd play. So again, opening play was a 5% winner. It could have been more had I had waited one more candle, but since it was a planned play, it was a big winner. And then one other thing to note is if you look at my exit scale outs on my first and my last play, the 2 actual planned trades, I scaled out twice because I was able to manage that risk way more responsibly, with way better execution. But everything in the middle of the day was just chop bullshit. Coop has been telling me this for 6 months, probably longer. She needs to slap me. Someone needs to slap me, because as soon as I opened up my order log, and this is what happened with Tesla, this is what you see. And I just see all these orders that I got to chart, and I literally thought of this video and was like, God damn, like what the hell was I doing? And I know what I was doing. I was watching for that breakout, and anytime I saw a setup and heard someone say the setup, I entered and put a stupid tight stop loss and just chipped away at losing. And again, I know this is the same thing over and over. I'm super frustrated and super done with it, and that's all I needed to see, for the 1,000th time to be done. So that's it. I'm done. I'm not trading from about 9 to 11:15. I'm just done. I was joking with the chat. I'm gonna just game, stream, whatever. I don't care. I know it's hard for me to walk away from the charts, but seeing how well we were doing, it frustrates me in all the right ways, because it's like, holy fuck, like, just stick to your goddamn plan and leave the rest of the day alone. This should have been such a more profitable day. I could have thrown the right amount of contracts, the right planned amount of trades in, and we just fucked that up. So that's it. Short video. Like I said, new rule, no trading. 9:30. If I enter that second play correctly, sometimes the exit is a bit of a different time, but again, it's okay to let those ride and stop trading and just let the chart be secondary, and I'm not chasing all that bullshit in the middle. So it's a new rule. It's not a goal. I'm not allowed to trade in those hours. So tomorrow I'm gonna make those 3 plays, stick to those 3 plays, nothing else until the market really tries to show a different pattern to us. That's all I'm allowed to do. And then the rest is all the same as what we've been trying to accomplish all week, because I know if I'm not relying on anyone or anything but the charts for my entry. I'm not hesitating my entry. The entry increased confidence, and then the results will follow through that way. So again, frustrating day for myself, but overall a good frustration seeing so immediately, and one of those, I've made too many videos of this, somebody slapped me, I'm done with it. We're only going to take those successful trades, those high success, high probability trades from now on, guys. So a little bit of a frustrating start of the month. Like I said, we're down about, let me do some quick maths, $87 on the account to start. It is frustrating because that's only my second red day in the last 8 trading days. So we're gonna come in tomorrow with the right mindset, the right plan, and just get right back to it. I wanted to make this video quick, short, do it right after the market so that I could get it over with, let today's lesson be learned, and move on to tomorrow's trade. Come in with a good fresh mindset, guys. Have a great rest of your night, guys. Have some happy trading tomorrow. I'll talk to you bright and early. All right, take care.